Good morning, I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working in my junk journal, July journal. Today is day 4, and the prompt is labels. So I have a whole bunch of labels, but I'm kind of leaning towards this one. I've got this one, and I also have some of these. I've had these for years. I am not sure which label I'm going to use yet, but like I said, I'm kind of leaning towards this one. And so I wanted to show you guys this because when I was editing the video, I realized that this was not showing up. So I had added a mushroom here, and I didn't like the way it looked, but I still felt it needed something, so I added this little bird, and now I love how it looks. So anyway, let's get over here. This is my page for labels. It is not conducive to really putting a busy, the background is too busy, I feel. So I'm going to cover it with something that is not so busy. And then I will probably just make a little collage with a label. So let's do that. So I was thinking I'm going to cover this up with some pretty rose paper. I've got this, but I feel like, well, maybe I've got to definitely do this. And also, it's a little bit too long, but I was thinking that maybe I could like put some brown paper bag paper in the middle. Let's see how that would look. I'll have to put it this way, I guess. Move that over. How does that look? I kind of do like that, but my paper bag is not quite wide enough, so I need to get some more paper bag. Alright, so I have my brown paper bag down, glued down, and now I'm going to glue down my little pieces here, and we'll figure out what else we're doing with this label prompt. Alright, let's see how... Oh, I got glue on that side too. Alright, so we'll put that there. Looks like I could have cut that off a little better. We'll put this one here. Let's do this. I think this would be better. How are y'all doing? How are you feeling about Junk Journal July? This is what, day 4? So we're still in the early days. Is it getting hectic for you? So far, so good for me. I'm not feeling too hectic, but I am feeling like I want to cut this off right here, but I don't think that's going to work out too well. I was thinking about maybe using some fabric. I've got this and this. I think this is not going to match with that. I think this matches better. I've got some polka dot paper, and I've got some handmade paper, but this has like a yellowy orange in it, so it doesn't really go with the colors. I don't think I'm going to use that. I'm feeling like I want to put some washi tape here, but I don't know if I have any. Actually, yeah, I do like that better. So let's do that. And cut that off. over here, and over here. Okay, that's better. Let's put it on this side too, just to make it look intentional. Alright. So it needs to come down a little bit. Okay. Okay, there is usually a way to fix your mistakes. So I found these fabrics, these 3 fabrics, and I think they look okay. But I feel like maybe this pink one is too big. So I'm going to just cut it and try to squeeze it in somehow. Like that, maybe. I don't know, maybe this is too much. I don't know, I feel like just these 2 is not enough. So I think I am gonna just kind of go ahead and maybe pull this down just a tad, like this, or like this maybe. Yeah, up a little higher though. This way. I think that's good. I like that layout. Hopefully I'll remember it. And then I need to, I'll probably just stamp the number right on there, and that will be my prompt for label. So yeah, I was going to just stamp it in black, and then I remembered I had this really pretty green ink that I got the other day, and I think it will match perfectly, or very close to, the green on the label. So, oh yeah, that is perfect. So let's do that. Put it right here. And, oh, I love it. I love that color. So that's that. Let's not lose it. Now I have to remember how my glue is, and I have a feeling it's just gonna, or how, not how my glue is, how this is. And I think I should put this, maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna make this a little skinnier because I don't like this fold, and I don't feel like getting my iron out, to be honest. Okay, that's better. So we're gonna put a little dab of glue right on this to hold that down. Just like that. And I think we were going to put this here like that, and this sort of like that. So I need to dab this down. I don't want too much of the glue to show up, you know? So we'll put that like that. And well, let's glue the whole thing down kind of where it's going to be under this. Okay, so that was going to go like right about there. And this is going to go right about here. I think I can glue this down on this side more. I'm having trouble seeing the glue coming out. I don't think it is. Is that going to stay down? Maybe I will put just a teensy bit right under here. Okay, hold that down. Okay, now let's put this down and see if I can use this. Although I'm putting it onto fabric, so maybe I should use the fabric. The Fabri-Tac. Let's do this. Okay, let's get this show on the road. I probably need to unclog this a little bit. I kind of want the whole thing sticking down, and looks like I got it wet. Okay, that's going to go like that. I'm going to put a little bit right here. I don't like the way that's sticking up. And I do have a feeling that it was going to show through, so I'm going to leave those alone. And I'm wondering if I really want to do anything else to it, because I'm leaning towards keeping it simple. If I want to add to it, I can another time, but for now, I believe I'm going to leave it as is. Oh, I do have some tulip stickers. Let me see if I have one that would go good with this. I found this pretty tulip sticker, and I think it will show up just fine on here. So now the trick is going to be getting it off of the plastic backing. And then I do think we'll be all done. So that's going to go right here. I do like that. I like that a lot, actually. And we are done. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate your support. And yeah, have a good day, and stay healthy, happy, strong, safe, and cool and courageous. We'll see you again tomorrow. Which the prompt is tomorrow, lettering. Ugh, I am not good at lettering. Oh boy. Well, we'll see what I can come up with for lettering. See you next time. Bye-bye.